Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got the 2024 330e plug-in hybrid variant of the G23 series. This is a customer order cart. It is in the very lovely Tanzanite Blue. Luckily, a little bit of sun is coming out, so we take a look at the details on this Tanzanite Blue in the sun, hopefully. All right, so up front, we got a revised front fascia. So this is the second model year of the LCI, or Life Cycle Impulse, basically being the speak for refreshed G23 series. So we see that the M Sport package, got shadowline lights and shadowline package. So blacked out kidney grille, high gloss black trim basically everywhere. Over on the side, we have the style 791M wheels with the blue M Sport calipers. See our charging port here, or door. And something I've noticed with the M Sport 330Es, so they're coming with this M badge now. I'm not sure if that's a mistake or planned sort of thing going on here, but usually US market M Sport packages do not get that. I have not seen that on a regular 330i or on the M340, so it's a little bit unusual, but that's what's appearing right now on at least a couple of the 330Es that have come in. So moving out back, again, there's a little bit on the cooler side here. So 330e badging in chrome, our faux diffuser in high gloss black, as well as the black chrome exhaust tips. Well, this is a pretty well equipped vehicle. And it's plug-in hybrid. So I think the EPA range is about 22 miles of full electric range. Basically, it's a 9 kilowatt hour of usable battery capacity. Charging times, level 1, I think it's about 11 hours or so. And at level 2, about 3.5 hours to charge the full. So whether or not this makes sense for you really depends on your commute. So obviously, if you have charging at home and work, and your commute is around 22 miles or even less, this can make a very good choice for transportation. However, you do not get a lease credit for the 330e. So the only current plug-in hybrid that gets a lease credit, even though it's partial, is the X550e. All right, so let's go on the inside, go over pricing and options. All right, so opening up, we have the Mocha Vernasca leather. Again, unusual, because we would not spec Vernasca leather on a base 3 series. But I think it's a pretty interesting contrast against the Tanzanite Blue. Of course, I think Cognac would look a little bit better. But pretty nice, comfortable quilting seats. And then with the leather seats, you also get adjustable side bolsters. M badging here on the door sill. So in front of the M Sport steering wheel, heated steering wheel. Got cruise control buttons over here on the left-hand side. Shift paddles, and then iDrive 8 in front of me. Got the heads-up display. The rest of the iDrive 8 widescreen display. Now, iDrive 8.5 will not be on the 2024 3 Series or gas-powered 4 or the 2 Series. Maybe that comes next year for model year 25. We'll have to wait and see what happens on that. All right, so in terms of the trim, it's the ash gray wood trim. A little bit difficult to see given the lighting conditions right now. Here's a little bit better view. Now, for center console area, you got your drive selector nub, iDrive controller, start-stop button, controls for the driving mode. So this is battery hold right now, rather than battery control. So pressing this button means you will not be charging up your battery with the gas engine. It's basically holding the charge. Sport, hybrid, electric modes. All right, so let's talk about pricing. So starting price of the 330e for 2024 is $45,600. The Tanzanite Blue metallic paint is a premium color for $1,500. The leather is another $1,500. Driving assistance package for $700. Shadowline package for $1,100. M Sport package for another $2,000. Parking assistance package for $700. Premium package for $2,350. Now returning for 2024 is the optional power tailgate for $250. Drive recorder for $100. And Harman Kardon sound system for $875. All told, MSRP of $57,670. All right, so moving to the back seat. Here's your Mocha Vernasca leather in the back. Alright, so here's the view from the back seat with the moonroof shade open. You do have a climate control zone here in the back for your rear passengers, as well as USB-C charging ports. Knee room, legroom, I think really good. And then headroom is really no issue whatsoever in the 3 Series. Alright, so I'll move into the back. We'll use our kick to open. So, cargo area is pretty decently sized. However, you do lose a little bit of space in the back here. A little bit of extra storage space below. But basically, you can see with the 330e, you lose a bit of the storage area. It does come with a flexible fast charger. However, you only get the level 1 adapter. You'll have to get the NEMA 1450 adapter at your parts department if you want to use level 2 charging at home. See if we can use our kick to close here. We're back to having it work. All right, take a little bit of a walk around here. Won't go underneath the hood here, but so combined output of the B48 inline 4-cylinder turbo engine with the electric motor, 288 horsepower and 310 torques. So a little bit of an improvement over the gas-powered 330i. Of course, the gas-powered engine in this car is a little bit reduced in power and torque, but a pretty peppy thing. But that's it for a quick tour around the 330e in Tanzanite Blue, and we'll see you at the next video.